Open your project with Visual Studio Code and a terminal window in the root location of your project and log into Azure. Make sure you are using the Bash terminal window as you enter the azure-web-app command to create and start the resource. Specify the resource group name and a web app name. By default, web apps are not created in the free tier if you do not explicitly specify the SKU as being free. It may take a few minutes to validate your preferred web app name, transfer your local project files to Azure, and then create and deploy the web app on Azure. After it is done, it will output a JSON response body of what was created with an overview of settings, including the URL of where we can access our web app. Let's take a look at it now. Voila! We have created a Python Flask web app on Azure. Congratulations! Just a reminder that you can delete your project from Azure after you are done playing with this project.